Good morning, everyone. We are students of the University of Buea, and we are here to talk about climate change and mitigation, the effects of climate change, the causes of climate change, and greenhouse gases. Firstly, what is climate change? Climate change is the atmospheric condition of an environment studied over a long period of time. There are many factors that affect these causes. For example, we have pressure, temperature, humidity, and altitude, just to name it. As my colleague earlier said, I'll be talking on the causes of climate change. We have two main causes of climate change. We have the natural causes and the anthropogenic causes. Under the natural causes, these are causes driven by the force of nature. We have volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and landslides. Under the anthropogenic causes, these are causes done by human activities. We have urbanization, industrialization, we have transportation, and deforestation, which is the cutting down of trees. My other colleague is going to talk on the effects of climate.
Hello everybody, I'll be talking about greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap infrared radiation coming from the sun, which prevents it from escaping from the Earth atmosphere. They radiate back to the Earth atmosphere. They are the major cause of temperature increase of the atmosphere. They are called greenhouse gases because they act as blankets which trap heat and keep our planet warm. Examples of greenhouse gases are methane, carbon dioxide, ozone, hydrocarbons, and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide occupies 56% of the atmosphere, ozone 10%, methane 16%, and nitrous oxide 5.4%.
Various types of greenhouse gases. One, we have carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is found in the atmosphere at moderate levels, and these levels can be crossed by the various procedures which have been done by mankind, but like burning of fossil fuels, use of electrochemicals which produce carbon dioxide, which when produced in excess trap heat which is produced by the sun. And when this heat is found in the earth, it increases climate change, it increases the climate, it increases temperature within the area, and this temperature causes climate change. The climate change can cause droughts, cause death of plants, and various other catastrophes. We also have chlorofluorocarbons. These carbons, when produced by coolants, that is refrigerators or ACs, they go into the atmosphere and react with the ozone layers. And when they react with the ozone layers, they cause holes in the ozone layer that allows the passage of high ultraviolet light, which causes skin cancer on the human body. We also have water vapor. Water vapor is produced when the heat of the present surrounding has been increased due to the carbon that held the heat produced by the sun. Surrounding has been increased due to the carbon that held the heat produced by the sun. So when the heat has increased, it causes water to vaporize from nearby streams and lakes. When the water goes into the when the water vapor goes into the earth, the water vapor is acting like a boiler. It helps to increase the temperature of the surrounding areas. And when this temperature increases, it causes an increase in climate change, and also causes increase in climate change, that is increase in heat, which also causes droughts and other problems. We also have nitrogen oxide, which is produced from we also have methane, which is produced from decaying organisms. These decaying organisms, when they produce methane as a carbon reduces the amount of oxygen in the air. And when this oxygen is reduced, it causes dizziness from life forms, weakness, also causes increase in heat by trapping of sunlight that comes from space.
I'll be talking on the effects of climate change. Introducing by, so far the largest contributors to global climate change are fossil fuel, coal, oil and gas, recounting to 75% of greenhouse gas emission and 90% of carbon dioxide emission. Some of the effects are, we have loss of species, poverty, displacement, and the rest. My colleague will be talking more.
As my colleague rightly said, another effect of climate change is severe storms. As temperature rises, moisture evaporates from the Earth's surface, which has caused a heavy downpour of rain, leading to storms and which has destroyed various farmlands and communities. Another effect is the increase in drought. Climate change is changing the water availability in most regions, which has caused water shortages and has led to a high risk of agricultural drought affecting crops, and also ecological drought, which has led to the vulnerability of the ecosystem.
With respect to what my colleague earlier talked on about climate change and its causes, which the causes are, we have a natural and a man-made cause, as well as the greenhouse gas effect. Despite all this, we will look on how to resolve this problem in our society and economy. First, we have to do more on afforestation and afforestation management, and also proper management on waste, and also on we have to reduce the rate of burning of gas and oil and concentrate more on solar panels and wind power. Thank you.